This summer, Maui 63's gone on a cruise to Antarctica. We're here to help some scientists look for whales.
So we are running a project on the Polarstern which is dealing with behavioral responses of whales in the Antarctic. We're using a number of methods to observe how whales react to the equipment, like the hydroacoustics being used on Polarstern.
The most important method that's being used here on board are the marine mammal observers, or MMOs. They stand on the bridge and try to detect the whales and seals visually. And then there is also an infrared system installed on board, which is capable of detecting basically the blow, the thermal difference of the blow relative to the environment.
We are doing like helicopter surveys. So that means that helicopters starting from the Polarstern and to try to observe animals in the area.
The drone is part of a larger concept that we developed. It's targeting at detecting whales in the vicinity of the Polarstern, but also in the wider area. So we can extend our monitoring beyond the potential effect zone of Polarstern and the hydroacoustic methods that are used here on board.
We've got a brand new drone with us. It's called the Rock. It's made by a Hungarian company called AirAce. It's a quad plane, takes off vertically and then flies forwards like a plane. It'll go for about 3 hours and it's got a camera with a big zoom lens underneath. AirAce have made a number of modifications so that we can fly in Antarctica. The main one is the beacon system, which allows for autonomous landings even when the ship is moving. There's a lot of challenges to flying in Antarctica. Obviously it's very cold, but the weather changes very quickly as well. We need to keep a constant eye on the wind and the rain.
The use of the drones in our data collection will be like groundbreaking, because drones are not really used much in the research in Antarctica, because as everyone knows, it's a very challenging ecosystem.
The drone, I think personally, is doing like a better job than in comparison to flight transits, because you can really follow the animal and see, for example, a behavioral response when anthropogenic noise is introduced in the environment.
Despite the challenges, we managed to survey over 1,000 kilometers and detect multiple whales. We've proved the concept and we're looking forward to developing it.